Yeah, okay then. When I first met him, I said to him, you know, where do you come from? I thought it was Poland. I said to him, Poland. He said, no, we come from Albania. So I said, oh, all right. And I felt when I got in here, after I'd been speaking to him, I thought to myself, Albania, where's that? Could be anywhere off the end of the world. You know, I haven't got a clue. I mean, I don't know a lot of geography, but I know where most countries are on the map. But I didn't know where Albania is, and I still don't. But on the other hand, you know, I've lived in Barking and Dagenham all my life. And I'd still rather have nice foreign neighbours than nasty English ones.
Does it make any difference to you that they're white rather than, you know, what if they were African?
Oh, yes, it does. They're a different nature to the Africans. These people. You can get some Africans that have got a bombastic manner. And there are some. And no, I wouldn't like one of those. And then again, I don't think it's colour. Would I sooner white than black? Yes, I would. Yes, I would.
Why is that, Sue?
Their cooking's different. So you've got the smells. I told you we spend a lot of time in the garden. Also, they're very, 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 very noisy. And they like playing their music quite loud.
Side close turn and quarter right, half top and jump. 2 walks, right, left, kick right, back right, coaster, step, triple change. 2 walks, right, left, kick right, back right, coaster, step, kick, triple change. 4 heels, right heel, close touch, left heel.
There's far too many people coming in out of the country. Not enough space for them.
And they're not our people.
Do we all agree? Yes.
Yeah.
I mean, it's supposed to be a free country, but it's not free when we want to speak, is it?
Yeah, I think there's so many nationalities here now. You don't know who's who, do you? You don't know where anybody's from. But there's so many different restaurants around. We're never spoilt for anything to eat, are we? I can eat Indian, Chinese, any nationality we can eat. Any nationality, we've got no alternative but to accept what's happened, and I don't know what we can do about it.
Who's supposed to be moving in?
I don't know. Clive seems to think there was a black woman and kids moving in. That's the one who lives the other side.
Yeah. Would that bother you or not?
As long as they're quiet and they don't interfere with me, I don't care.
Would you rather a white family moving in?
Yeah, I suppose if it was mostly black round here, they'd prefer a black person to move in. Of course you prefer to live amongst your own. Well, I do anyway. Oh, look, here's Mark. Who's this then, eh? Let's have a look at you. Let's have a look at you. Come on in. Oh! Oh! What's the matter? Hey?
Whose name's that?
Your grandson, Dave.
Yeah?
You look lovely today.
Charlie,
Yeah.
why would I prefer my own type of people to move next door?
I don't think you'd mind black people who'd been born in this country who were westernised. But when it comes to all the different cultures who don't speak English, a lot of them can be very arrogant, and I'm speaking from first-hand experience there.
What's your first-hand experience?
My son's father is African. He wasn't born in this country, he was born in Nigeria.
And he's a fucking dog.
You can't speak like that.
Okay.
He's...
What do you do to you?
I'm actually in safe housing now. This is the only place I can come to in this borough because he beat me up. He was very controlling.
How did you feel, Dave, when your daughter had a relationship with Nigeria?
As long as she was happy, I was okay.
What didn't you like about it?
Because I'd have preferred her to marry someone of her own religion, her own race and religion.
But at the end of the day, even you said yourself, you don't mind what colour the next person that I meet is, as long as they treat me right.
Did you ever meet...
No, and I didn't want to. Because I knew it was going to end up in grief.
How did you feel when you found out she was having a kid with a Nigerian?
Didn't like it. I don't believe in abortion, so there was only one thing she could do. And she doesn't anyway.
What was it that you didn't agree with? What can you...
I don't believe in mixed marriages. I don't believe in mixed relationships. Because they don't work. It's the kids that suffer. Because they're neither one or the other, are they?
But at the end of the day, Dad, you're saying you don't agree with mixed race.
I don't agree with it. I know I'd preferred you to, and I still prefer you to meet one of our own. But you know, you got a preference for sunburned people, so. See, nothing wrong with preference, is there? Hey.
I don't know, I'm confused about...
No, there's nothing, there's nothing to be
confused about why you have
preference.
why you have this...
No, I've got nothing against it. Well, you've seen. Yeah, listen, it's preference.
Yeah, but what does it mean? What does preference mean, though? There must be some...
I'd be more comfortable if one of my own lived next door. That's nothing to do with racism or anything of the sort. It's just personal preference.
But you don't know that person more than any...
I don't care whether I know them or not. I still prefer my own people.
But why?
Because it's my personal preference. I don't know why, but it's my preference.
So it's almost irrational. It comes from somewhere deep
Nothing
inside.
rational about them being perfectly rational. This is England.
This is bacon. You get 5 packs of £3. Have a look. Fat bacon. Really, really nice. You know those short dumpling spicy sausages? Lovely.
Tell them you will not come today.
Who?
You.
Why? I'm here.
If you want to make a photograph.
Look, let me take off these. Let me just
Look
take...
nice like this. The £30. Nice, nice.
How did you meet Monty?
Just here in the back in
Exactly.
his shop. I just came in to look for a suit. I asked him, how much is the suit? He said £40. Oh, I said, no, I don't have the money. I'll come back. Then he said, how much money do you have? I said, no, I don't have any money. Then he said, I'll make a discount, you know. He was so kind to me.
Pick the suit, you pick me. She picked the double.
I want to take Monty to Africa. Yes. I want him to go and see my country and my family.
Who have you left behind?
My mom, my daughter, my brothers, and my cousin sisters.
You must really miss them, no?
So much. So much. I would really love to go this year and see them. I don't mind. I would love.
Do you have a husband as well, Betty?
Yes, yes.
Does he know about you and Monty?
Yes.
That's okay.
Yes, he knows. And if I go. I want to go with Monty.
Do you think Monty would cope in Africa?
I don't know. He's always scared. Monty thinks that if he goes to Africa, he will be killed.
Or I will be raped.
What do you mean?
I get raped there, innit?
And my family is also looking forward to see Monty.
Would you like to meet Betty's family, Monty?
Yeah, why not? Why not?
It would be hard for you if Betty left.
I won't leave her, let her leave. All I want is love, love, love. All I want is love, love, love. She's a nice girl, she. Huh?
She's lovely.
I love it.
Yeah, it's very sad though, it's very sad, very sad. Very sad. And when we first moved in, someone approached me and said, oh, you this, you fucking this. I'm sorry to mind my language, please. I don't say that language. And he was saying to say, oh, government bought you a car, government pay for this, government bought you television. It's not like that. I pay tax as you do. That's all we do. We all pay tax. But that's the way they feel around here.
How do you react to that?
He's very nice, isn't he? I'd never spoken to him before.
Would you go around his house, spend an evening with him and his family?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't see why not. Yeah, if I got to know him I've got to know him well, you know what I mean, pretty well.
Would you come round? Would you go round there? He wants to host you for an evening.
Would we go round there for an evening to be a host, not knowing him well, just as it is now? Just walk in stone cold for an evening.
That's a hard one, actually, I'll be honest with you, yeah. It's not because he's black, it'd be the same with if it was
people
white people.
Didn't know.
People I didn't know, and the white people, I'd still dither on that, I'll be honest with you.
If they cooked food we didn't like and we couldn't eat it, we'd have to tell him. And, of course we'd have to tell him. I'm sorry, I just don't like the look of it and it's your food and I'm ever so sorry, and I'm sure he'd understand that. I'd understand it if he came round to me. Also, you don't really know
I don't know what part
clean they are either, do you?
Is he Caribbean, was he? Was he Caribbean or West Indian? He had that, you know,
something you could ask him.
Lighter colour, you know what I mean, of a black guy. He wasn't black like Nigerian, you know what I mean, African black, he wasn't that.
Well, actually, when I have seen him across the road there, he's blacker than that.
Today special offer. Yes, darling, big golden. Fresh baby lamb.
Hello. How is it? 159.
What is that, Dixon?
This is Bogota. Cow leg.
Which one is this, please? Goat. No, we don't want
goat. No goat. Where's beef?
That's beef. Those are beef.
Beef with bone, beef boneless, beef slice, steak, leg of beef. What you like?
Can we have one of those?
Which fish you like?
They don't
eat this type of meat, really, do they?
Who?
The English people. Yeah, they only like the boneless meat, isn't it? Yeah. That's it, they don't like it. They don't really know what to do with it. They cook in 5 minutes. What would they know to do with it? You have to cook this for a long time.
What is that?
Shaki. That's the towel. The inside of the goat, isn't it? Yeah.
It tastes nice.
Yeah, it's really nice. Like that one.
What is that?
They call it the pumo.
What is
the
it?
Pumo.
What is it?
The nose for the cow.
What kind of meat do the farm people buy here?
Lamb, some buy lamb, don't know, some buy beef. All the different things, really.
Things you wouldn't dream of using.
Yeah, it depends.
Who buys
They're all
pigs?
Chinese people mainly.
Right. Would you ever eat pig's ears?
No. No.
Would you ever eat pig's ears?
No.
No, she's more fussy with it.
You never eat them?
I don't eat a lot of meat, really. But I wouldn't eat pig's ears.
Does it bother you that there's so many coloured faces?
Well, I don't like it, no, myself.
What is it about that you don't like?
Well, I don't like to see it.
For what reason?
Because I'm not used to it. Yeah.
UKIP only got 500 votes, I think. It's not big, because we're only around about... Hold on. That's done me a lot of good. Do you want to sign up, Sarah's Law, protect your children?
No pie It's a pie inside it, frozen with 2 double.
Do you think the black man is intrinsically different from the white man?
Well, of course there's a division.
A difference.
Same as there's a division between lions and tigers.
What's different? What's different?
Because they've got a different culture to us.
You and Nick spoke about
They're not interested in our culture, and I'm not interested in their culture. All I'm interested in is the people, natives of this borough. That's the only people I'm interested in. Right, darling, do you want to sign for Sarah's Law?
Oh yeah, I will do.
Got a pen, anyone? Anyone got a pen?
British National Party, and I've got to vote for the British National Party.
You can if you want.
Well, I always vote for it, don't worry. Don't get nowhere.
I know, we're doing all right.
Yeah, but it's only one lot in the borough. You want the other scene and
We've got
all.
12, but they come next election, we'll take the borough.
Oh, will you?
Yeah.
Well, someone's got to do something.
That's integration, you see. Over there, that person over there, why not integrate properly and dress like us?
How would you like her to dress though?
Westernised.
But why does that bother you though?
It don't bother me, but different groups talk about integration. But that's not integration.
Would you ever sort of go and talk to them?
No. I've got nothing in common.
How are those people different from your grandson? Because they're Nigerian. Right. You speak to your grandson, don't you?
Yeah, but he's my grandson, he's my blood. Anyway, get off the race card now.
The new butcher's opened up, Valerie.
Hmm?
The new butcher's opened up over the road, yeah?
I know.
What's that? Have you heard much about it?
Yeah.
What have you heard?
They don't like the smell of it, a lot of the customers. They don't like it. I don't know, I haven't been in there.
6:43?
So I wouldn't know really. 6:43.
What don't they like about it?
They don't like the way the chickens are hanging up. 6:43 and they don't like the smell.
Councillor.
Oh, it's a councillor?
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
How's it going?
You know,
One of your daughters, David?
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Jean, and this is my boyfriend Harry.
This is Lawrence.
60p.
Hello.
I want to buy a paper, Harry.
Would you like me to get you one?
It's up to you. You read these papers before? I haven't, no, it's my first time.
Signed for Sarah's Law, you got.
Boys for free, that's
Harry, where's your family?
Oh, thanks very much.
What do you mean? Where are they from? What, ethnicity-wise, or? Yeah, I guess, well, my dad's English, and my mum is half English and half African or something. I'm not sure exactly where, but yeah. So, yeah, a bit of a mix.
Okay then.
See you later.
See you later, thank you.
Get up.
Bye all.
Bye.
Harry,
Yes.
your hands have got to get a bit bigger.
I haven't, they're a bit small, yeah.
See you, Harry.
See you later.
Take care. See you, Jean.
Just get on with Harry, Dave.
Tom?
Just get on with Harry.
I've only met him. That's only the second time I met him.
Oh, really?
Yeah. He seems alright.
Boys for freedom.
His family, they're all accountants. And they've just come back from Spain. They've lived over there for about 5 years.
Said his mother's from Africa.
No, both his family's white. I hope so.
He's mixed race.
Wait, is he mixed race?
You get two for a pound, love, the latest one and an old one.
That's something I'll have to delve into.
Oh, he told me his family's from Africa.
Oh, fuck off.
No, he did. His mother's African, honestly.
What?
He said his mother's African.
I'll find out.
All helps us do all this stuff.
Did you ever meet anybody, Monty, that voted for the BNP?
And
Did you ever meet anybody that voted for the BNP?
did I meet anybody? No.
What would you say to them if you didn't?
Nothing.
Really? Did it upset you?
No, but as less you say, the better it is. Listen, I don't want to get in anybody's way. Everybody does what he wants to do, and that's it.
Did you ever experience any anti-Semitism yet?
Well, not really. One or two occasions, but...
What happened to you, Monty?
Well,
What happened to you?
nothing else. Somebody came and bent over my head. He said, you're fucking Jew.
What did he do?
He took a bottle, started banging over my head. If I wouldn't be strong enough, I would be dead. I had 25 stitches in my head. I was here embarking. Out at the shop.
What did they say to you?
Nothing, as I told you. He called me a fucking Jew. I think I paid my penalty for being Jewish anyway. No? Did I not? I did. At 5 years concentration camp, Auschwitz, Buchenwald, Dachau, Belgium, Theresienstadt, it's enough. Baruch atu Adonai Eloheinu melech olam aboyrai pri agofen. Man ist dann geworden auf der Halailu Hazeit, der deutsche Nacht in Peile ist.
Do you know what any of this means, Betty?
Huh? She knows.
It's a prayer for
It's a prayer for Pesach.
For Passover.
Uni mi eichle mes ma mutzo, bil mes ma matzo.
Monty, did you ever imagine living with someone from Africa?
No.
How does that feel for you?
No, it's all right. Borad alani mele wala boy rai priya gofen. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, good night, good night, good night, good night.
I don't know, Junie, it'd be all right to take round a bottle of wine. You don't even know if people drink. I mean, he could be dead against it, couldn't he? Could be completely you know, non-drinkers. We're going to roll up with a bottle of wine, might go down like a lead balloon, mightn't it? You think so, shall I take a bunch of flowers or a box of chocolate? Shall I take sweets for the children? But I thought to myself, oh no, don't want to offend, you know. Decided against it, because I thought to myself, well, that would be a nice gesture for us though. It'd be going over the top a little bit. I thought we'll just take a bottle of wine round. I think most people drink the white one, don't they? Is there a white one there? No, that's a red. That's it, bring that one. Okay then, I will have to go out the gate to get round.
You record me.
Dave, how's it changed since you first moved in here?
Right. That house next to me is Lithuanians. Opposite me is Africans. Next door to me, Chinese people. The other side. The other side of them are Russian. Opposite them are Polish.
And that's all been in the space of
a year. All in the space of a year.
Oh, hello.
Hello.
Yeah, Ellie, come in.
Oh, sorry, we're a little bit early.
It's all right.
Yeah, welcome. Let me just put the baby up.
Darling,
Yes.
you're going to sleep now? Oh, bless her. She's lovely, isn't she?
Yes.
Gorgeous little thing. No, it's me. It's me.
I'm not used to this. I'm not used to this thing.
And the food is not coming back.
I bet she's thinking, oh, Dad said it again.
Do you feel hot here?
I'm all right, but you're hot, aren't you? He's getting himself all hot.
Yeah. Is it
Bit nervous.
No, it's because I've just rushed up to dress quickly and...
Oh, I got you. Okay then.
That's why.
Okay.
And he's not cooled down yet. Oh dear.
You're welcome. Brought wine.
Oh yeah, thank you.
We didn't even know if you drank or not. You could have been teetotal, we didn't know.
Actually, we don't drink.
You don't drink?
We don't drink. Anything that contains alcohol, we don't drink it.
I thought to myself, you may not drink alcohol. So you've prepared a nice meal for us?
Nice meal for you.
There is one food we call pounded yam.
Pounded yam.
Right.
Something like potato.
I got you.
When we are at home, we have a kind of mortar we used to pound it.
Do you know mortar?
Mortar?
Yeah, mortar.
No.
How does it look like mortar? Mortar.
Mortar? No, I don't
we
think
use
it's...
it to pound yam back at home.
Back at home.
Right, like a wheat?
No.
Just like mashed potato.
Yeah.
You know, you have a kind of something you use to mash it. I think you use a tool to mash it.
Oh, mortar and...
Yeah.
Mortar and pestle.
Yeah, exactly.
That's it.
Then we normally use a bigger one.
Bigger one.
Can you not use a potato masher?
No.
You can't
Not possible.
No, it's not possible. I hope you'll be able to try it tonight.
Do mash this because it's quite hot.
And this kind of meat, we call this cow food.
Cow's food?
This meat is cow food.
Right.
Very sweet and delicious. We cook this type of food when we have special occasion. When we
special occasions.
Special occasion food. Then here we just eat it anyhow.
Yeah.
That's real African food.
Oh, it does look like mashed potato, doesn't it?
Yeah, exactly.
That's nice.
Yeah, we use our fingers, our hands to eat it. So yes.
What, like that?
Yes, exactly. This is the way we eat it back home. Just like this. Back home.
Yeah. What do you think? Yeah, but you eat like that when you're here, don't you, as well? When you're alone, you eat like that, don't you?
Don't know how we eat it.
No, you do what you've got to do.
Delicious.
There's certainly unusual taste, isn't it? It's taste that I've never tasted before.
This is right weird.
This is nice. Yeah.
I've got this. I'm eating that now, I am.
I've eaten my cows, but
I must admit, it's a bit chewy.
it's glutinous. It's glutinous, isn't it?
We don't like soft meat. We want to chew it and salt the
I
amount.
thought it was a bit chewy.
Something like that.
Well, Dixon, I've not left nothing, my friend.
Oh, thank you very much. I appreciate that.
Enjoyable.
Oh,
Excellent.
thank you,
Yeah.
thank
Well,
you.
certain, I've never tasted anything like it before.
Different, but enjoyable.
Thank you, thank you.
Really unusual.
What was it like when you first moved in, Dave?
Lovely, lovely, nice. This was the best part of Dagenham, Barking and Dagenham. Everyone wanted to live in this area. Now no one wants to live here. Well, none of the indigenous population want to live here now anyway. They're all moving. I feel sorry for the people that's got the council houses here. They can't move. Poor old Gonda there, the Italian lady. What's going to happen to her? Clive and Chris, what's going to happen to them? They can't move. They've got to suffer it all. I don't know.
It was a lot different than I thought it would be.
Yes, I must
Because they
admit.
were sort of, they really acted sort of Nigerian in their food and everything, but
Yeah.
they spoke like Western people, really, didn't they?
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
And yeah, it's such a.
They was quite religious as well.
Yeah, very religious.
He's very religious.
He had a lot to say, didn't he, all the time? He always had something to say.
Gift of the gab.
Yeah,
Certainly
very much
did.
so.
Yeah, especially when you got into his religious bits.
Yeah.
Knew a lot about that.
Definitely.
Yeah, yeah. What did you reckon on the food?
I must admit, I did eat it.
I liked the rice, but then that was basically, you know,
But it wasn't.
there was nothing to dislike in the rice.
It wasn't my type of food, I must admit. It wasn't.
When they said,
It wasn't that tasty as I thought it would be.
oh, I thought it was tasty, but like anything else, when
only
they
the-
told me what it was, put me off a little bit.
Yeah, yeah.
I mean, I didn't eat the meat, the cow's foot. I ate the rice that went with it and the bits all
I
round it.
know.
But when he said try a bit of the cow,
Yeah, well, I had to help you out there.
I know you did. I thought,
Hunger sufferance,
I thought
maybe.
myself, thank God Jeff's took it off my hands.
Yeah, I know.
Let's put the kettle on anyway. Let's have a cup of tea. Mind you,
Got to go upstairs.
for hospitality and making you welcome.
Yeah,
And go
couldn't fault them.
and went to a lot of trouble.
Could not fault them.
It was all thank you, thank you, thank you. Do you want a cup of tea or anything, Jeff? No? Thank you. No, it was certainly an experience I've never had before. And couldn't have had it with nicer people. Now see if they was all like that come into our country. If we do have that barbecue in the summer, you know.
You think we should invite them?
Why not?
Hmm.
Look at it.
Yeah, it'd be nice to invite them next door and Freddie.
Yeah, Freddie.
Freddie the Albanian.
I was asked out by a black fella once.
Was you?
Yeah. Name was Paul. Had a few bob as well. Had his own house, lovely car. Yeah, money weren't a problem. But he asked me out. He said to me, is it because I'm black? I said, well, that's part of it, yeah.
Yeah, it's
Just couldn't. Just didn't. Don't ring right, does it?
No, never ever come into my mind. Never ever come into my mind, no. I mean, on the screen and on the stage and on the music scene, there are some beautiful, excellent, beautiful black girls. I know there are, but I could never imagine myself with one, be honest with you.
No, I couldn't see myself with another colour partner. Especially this time of life. No, you'll do, Jeff. You're safe.
Monty, are you in love with Betty?
Huh?
Are you in love with
Well,
her?
don't ask me the questions, please.
No, are you honestly?
No, that's not fair.
Well, do you have love for her, though?
Yeah, but she's a nice person. She looks after me. She looks after me. Caretaker, takes care of me, washes for me and things. Let me see. I would be lost without her. I would be lost.
Betty, what is your relationship with Monty?
Well, he's just a friend. He's just a friend.
Do you have love for Monty, Betty?
Love?
Yeah.
No.
No?
Monty's an old man. He's sickly. I'm just looking after him. I don't want to leave him on his own. Because he lost his wife, so he can't be on his own.
He's one of the loveliest person can think of. I had 52 years. Happy years. I loved it. Okay. Big memories, you know. Lucky. Where are you, Bubble? Got to get up early tomorrow morning, go to work, you know. Not you, you a lazy cow. Lazy cow.
Do you want a biscuit?
No. Ah.
What a shame. Great pity. Few and far between butchers today. Even further now.
There's not much you can do. You sold it, it's gone now, and that's it. The end of an era. I've been here nearly 40 years. A lot of the customers have been coming 50, 60 years.
What, is it going to be another butcher's though?
We don't really know.
No.
Not enough of the people we need, is there, Val? I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm afraid it's the people coming into the market now, the people coming into the area. It's not us anymore, is it? Finished. And so will I be soon. I'm off. See you later. Bye, mate. Bye.
You got any chicken nuggets? Yes, mate. Right, have some of them. You got thanks so much. treat you, otherwise you'll look like that bloke to me in there.
Where are you moving to, Dave?
Canvey Island.
What kind of place is that?
Seaside resort. Seaside town.
And why are you moving there? What's specific about that place?
To feel quite a bit safer than what I am round here. It's not safe round here anymore. And it's a nice place. It's a nice place, all your own people there. That's my dog's Ashes here. My poor old dog taking over me. Not lovely dog she was.
Hotel.
Oh, the colouring's nice here today, darling. Isn't it nice? Well, I suppose you're impressed. I used to come up and say to him, hello, darling, how are you? Then I realised he'd say to me, how do you think I bloody am? I'm dead. I don't say it no more.
What happened to Justin, Susan?
He had cancer, and he didn't go to the doctor soon enough, true. He'd had it for over a year, testicular cancer.
Susan, you wrote on there that you'll never be far away.
No, I never am. I pass here about 3 times a day. He wanted to be here by the road where it was noisy and he could hear all the music going, and said, I want to be, don't put me anywhere quiet, he said. I was lucky this bit was going, made me happier that he could be here, just where he'd have wanted to have been. I'll be coming over here as long as I can, and then with a bit of luck, his daughter will be old enough. I'll start teaching her how to tend it all and wipe it all down, and she will, she's that sort.
Do you think you could ever move away then, Susan, or not?
Not unless, as I say, it would have to be something like winning the lottery. Then I would, but then I would still come back and see him in the same. I'd only move to outer Essex, I wouldn't move that far, still be in Essex. And I'll still come back here anyway. Because I've grown up round here. This is my roots round here. And most people, even when they move away, they come back periodically to where they grew up. I think that's human nature for anybody, let alone having something like this to pull you back. See you soon. I miss you. I love you.
What do you do tonight?
We're celebrating the day of the liberation
Day of what?
62 years ago.
So what happens tonight?
Well, we're all gathering together.
Who's all?
All the boys are left over, some guests, some visitors.
Were all these people in Auschwitz with you?
The most. Not all of them, but most. You know?
Yes.
She looks like the Queen of Sheba here. It looks like...
That's finished.
Look at that.
I don't know how does it look.
How did your son react to Betty being together with
Why
Betty?
not? At least I got somebody to look after me. Who would look after me on my own?
Did anybody react in a bad way?
What? Nobody? No. Only my sister-in-law.
What did she say?
Huh?
What did she say, Monty?
Well, this is what she said. I'm not interested in what she said or anybody says.
Have you ever been with Betty before to this dinner, Monty?
No.
What's everybody going to say, do you think?
What are you going to say? Let's say. They can say whatever they want to say, let's say.
What do you think?
Let's say we're...
Monty, are you in this photo? And the cattle truck, are you in the photo?
Sure I'm in.
Which one's you?
Yeah. Yeah, that's one here. That one.
Do you remember that day?
Yes, can never forget it.
What do you remember about that day?
Well, we was liberated. That day we was liberated. The war was finished. The 5th of May, 1945. Huh? The lines was cut already, nowhere to go. Absolutely, without food at all. We people was sharing with dead bodies was eating. I was eating bodies, dead bodies to survive. We cut them with glass, we had fine glass, we cut little bits of bodies and we cooked them. This is what I done, not only me, all of us. How you going, Betty? Be up in 10 minutes.
Hello, Fred. Heidi. Oh, sorry. Hello. Yes, of course.
How are you? Thank you, darling. These are lovely.
Nice. Thanks for coming.
Very, very
Now you're all come back.
I hope you're hungry.
Yeah, he is.
Good. I hope you look as though you eat a nice lot. I hope you eat enough.
What a happy fam. Go on, you sit down. Sit down. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, look. More people.
Dixon, not too bad. Good boy.
Hello, my darling. How are you? Very well. Very well. Yeah, you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. What's
Jeff,
your name?
we'll have to get those 2 chairs out. Hello, what's your name?
Bob. Yeah.
Darling, nice to meet you.
Wait a minute, I'll bring another chair out.
Hello. How you doing? How you doing? That's Dixon. And that's Gita. And that's Dixon. That's Victoria.
Nice to meet you.
Dixon, is it? Dixon. Hi, Dixon. Yeah. How you doing? All right? Not so bad. Thank you. And you? Yeah, I'm fine. Thank you.
You don't mind if I drink, do you?
No, that's okay. It's okay.
What's that bag that you gave to...
Corn and beef for the barbecue.
With gold?
You remember you bought wine?
And then you told me you didn't drink. I said, got me by the wine. Oh, we don't drink. We drink so. Wrong again. A whole bunch of flowers.
Is it the first time that you were living close to Africans?
Yeah, it's the first time, but you know, we came here, all of us. We came for one thing, and that thing is for better life. You know, to work and to live in peace for everyone.
How would you feel if your child married an English girl?
You know, I just spoke to Dixon, my cousin, is married with English girls. And why not my son to have same
African person as well? Would that be more difficult?
Yeah. We are in free world now. He's going to school, and the school are all nation.
But would you prefer that he would be with someone from Albania?
Yeah, I'd like that. But I'm not saying I don't like.
No, I understand.
To marry anyone else.
How would you feel, Dixon, if your boys wanted to marry English girls?
Believe me, I don't bother about wherever any nation. I don't bother. As far as the right woman for him, that's it.
To be happy.
To be happy in life.
How would you feel if your son wanted to be with a Serb? How would that make you feel?
Oh. Only for the Serbs.
Yes.
I would say, I will insist to my son with my heart and my power I have on him. To don't do that. And if you do it without me.
Really?
Yeah. I'm giving you straight away. It's no Albanian want to do that.
We have to go straight inside. Ask them to come and we'll take some photos here.
Not here, no, because you can't.
Hello, Monty, how are you?
How are you? It's like everybody else.
Oni keni xarafka, so it's a tool. Dada xarafka.
My sister-in-law, Gertie.
That sounds good.
So you're Monty's sister-in-law?
Yeah. Why? Why are you asking?
Just wondering.
Yeah.
Have you met Betty?
We met her, yeah. We met her today.
You never met Betty before?
Yeah.
She's my carer, and nurse. She's lived with me a lot.
I wish I had a beautiful woman to care for me like that. God, my God, how do you get such lovely women? You've always been lucky.
This is my carer.
Oh, lovely. Hello, pleased to meet you.
She cares for me.
Yeah.
How are you?
Yeah.
She cares for you.
Hello.
Nice to see you. Thank you.
How are you?
What will you have to drink?
Juice.
Champagne?
No, juice. Juice.
Juice?
Juice, yes.
Oh, juice. Well, which one would you like? Monty looks very smart.
Thank you.
I'll see you in a minute. Oh, no,
That's a friend of mine, says Betty. It's a carer, my carer, you know.
When he was young, he saved a woman from being raped. Yeah, he changed his mind.
she looks after him, and he's happy with her, good luck to him. None of us have got many years left.
Would you do such a thing?
No. I'm different to him.
Even if you were alone, lonely?
I am alone.
Who looks after?
I've been look at myself. I've been on my own for 37 years now, 36 years.
Why would you prefer everyone to marry a Jewish partner?
Because we have to look after our own.
Some people have a problem because she's black, you know.
Well, excuse me. Some people, that's their problem. That's their problem, not his. Well, some people might say she's not Jewish or being Jewish. I mean, that's not the right way to look at things. Especially we that suffered so much, we should know more than to even think on those things. We're all human beings.
Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure to propose a toast to Her Majesty the Queen. Queen.
What happens if Africans come here, Dave?
African foreigners.
Where are you going to go if they come here?
In there. In the fucking drink.
If you missed any of the programmes in BBC2's White Season, you can catch up now online at bbc.co.uk/iPlayer. And not to be missed next on BBC2, the Top Gear team perform a garden makeover for Sport Relief.